Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alex Najaya. Hi friend, we have been in America for 3 days and I hope you all enjoy this event. Introduce me, I am Alex Najaya from the representative of the tourist office in Jakarta. Previously, I wanted to ask you, the Senyawan her like adventure. As you know, the committee wanted us to share something about our country. I'm from Indonesia, a country located in South Asia. Before getting into the topic, I will tell you that Indonesia has many provinces. One of province that will be discussed is Central Java province. Here there are many tourist attractions that can be visited. One of which is the Prambanan Temple, which is used as a cultural heritage of Indonesia and has been recognized by the World Heritage 2991. Prambanan Temple itself is located in Jogja, Central Java. Prambanan Temple is one of the famous temple among Indonesia people, especially on the east of Java. The temple which is located on Jalan Raya Solo, Yogyakarta, number 16, Krangan Bokoharjo, Prambanan, Sleman Regency. Yogyakarta Special Region is a temple that is famous for its legend. Prambanan Temple, besides being magnificent and beautiful, many buildings that are very important to Hindu also have various things that are sure to be exciting to be explored with such a magnificent building. Ticket price from Prambanan Temple, Yogyakarta. Touring the Prambanan Temple in Yogyakarta will not cost much. Ticket price offered are quite affordable and the facilities that can be enjoyed are various. The following rates are imposed by TWC Temple Tourist Park, administering the Yogyakarta Temple site. Prambanan Temple ticket price: adult ticket 10 years and above 50,000 rupiah. Child ticket age 33 until 25,000 rupiah. Special rate for group of students 20 people 25,000 rupiah. Adult Prambanan Borobudur pass ticket 75,000 rupiah. Prambanan Borobudur pass to children 3 until 10 years 35,000 rupiah. Adult Prambanan Ratu Boko pass 75,000 rupiah. Child Prambanan Ratu Boko pass 3 until 10 years 35,000 rupiah. Adult Prambanan Plausan Sojiwan pass 75,000 rupiah. Child Prambanan Plausan Sojiwan pass 3 until 10 years 35,000 rupiah. Prambanan Temple itself was built in the 9th century. The making of the Prambanan Temple is known as an offering to the three main Hindu gods of Trimurti, consisting of Brahmana, Vishnu, and Shiva. According to the Shivagra inscription, Prambanan Temple was built around 850 by Rakai Pikata. The construction of the temple was then developed and expanded by Balitung Mahasambu during the Medan Mataram Kingdom. During the construction of Prambanan Temple, the public work official also made change to the water system. There is a river flow relocation project near the temple so as not to endanger the construction of the temple and cause erosion. The initial development continued to be perfect by the subsequent Medan Mataram kings such as the Daksa and Tulodong kings. The construction continued to expand until there are hundreds of additional temples around the main temple. During its heyday, Prambanan Temple served as a great temple where various important ceremonies were held. In addition, hundreds of priests and their students gathered at Prambanan Temple to study the Vedas and carry out ritual. Prambanan Temple itself was again found by a Dutch citizen named J.A. Lons is 1773 Prambanan Temple attracted world attention when Central Java was under British rule. One of the governmentally Prambanan Temple itself was again found by other citizens named J.A. Launched in 1773. Prambanan Temple attracted world attention when Central Java was under British rule. One of the governor, Lieutenant subordinate Sir Thomas Stanford Raffles named Colin Mackenzie discovered Prambanan, knowing that his me found Prambanan Temple. Thomas was interested in Japanese history and culture under further investigation. Despite the investigation, the ruin of the temple remained abandoned. No serious excavation in the 1888 as were recorded. However, the practice of digging caused a lot of looting to occur. Prambanan also fell victim to artifact thieves like the one in Borobudur. Some figure at the time began to carry out larger scale cleaning and demolition measure. However, the demolition caused the temple stone to pile up along the Opak River. The accumulation has made residents arbitrarily take it. The Dutch at that time made it a garden decoration, while the indigenous people used the temple building as one of the building material and the foundation of their home. Having undergone many practice of the and demolition, the legacy Hindu temple in Indonesia was finally restored in 2918. However, it was only seriously handled in the 1930. Restoration efforts were finally carried on continuously until in 1953 the restoration of the Shiva temple was complete and inaugurated by President Sukarno. At the time, Prambanan temple lost many original stones, so that many parts had to be replaced with new stone. In addition, several small temples were not rebuilt because the remaining buildings were less than 75%. Now Prambanan Temple, which was made by the 2006 Yogyakarta earthquake, is one of the World Heritage Site. That meant Prambanan Temple is one of the UNESCO protected historical site. Prambanan Temple is also a tourist place and a place for major events to take place. Prambanan Temple is one of the largest Hindu temple in South Asia. Besides Angkor Wat, the three main temples are called Trimurti and are South Asia. Besides Angkor Wat, the three main temples are called Trimurti and are dedicated to the three main gods of Trimurti: Shiva, the destroyer; Vishnu, the preserver; and Brahmana, the creator. In this temple complex, Shiva looked prudent and more honored than the other two tributary gods. Shiva temple as the main building as well as the largest and highest, towering as high as 47 meters. Prambanan relief, namely Ramayana and Krishnayana. The temple is decorated with relief narrative telling the Hindu epic Ramayana and Krishnayana. The relief tells that it was carved on the inner wall of the blue street along the gallery islet that surround the three main temple. The relief is read from right to left in clockwise motion around the temple. This in accordance with the ritual Paradakshina, which is the ritual of circling the sacred building clockwise by pilgrims. The story of Ramayana began on the eastern side of the Shiva temple and continues to the Brahmana temple. On the balustrade of Vishnu temple, there Krishnayana narrative relief that the tell the life of Krishna as one avatar of Vishnu. The Ramayana relives depicts how Sinta with wife Rama was kidnapped by Ravana, the commander of the nation Vanara monkey. Hanuman came to Alanka to help Rama find Sinta. This story is also featured in the Ramayana ballad, which is so a puppet Japanese that is staged regularly on the Trimurti open stage every full moon night. The backdrop for the Trimurti stage is a magnificent view of the three main temples illuminated by lights. In Prambanan Temple, there are temples most frequently visited by tourists: 1 Shiva Temple, 2 Brahmana Temple, 3 Vishnu Temple. Shiva Temple, as the main temple, is the largest and highest building in the Rarajongrang Temple complex, measuring 47 meter height and 34 meter wide, while the other temple only have one room. This temple has 4 rooms containing character with individual story. The 4th room were also built parallelly and facing the 4 main cardinal direction, namely. In this Shiva temple, there are 24 main panels which can be grouped into 24 story episodes, starting from the first panel located to the left of the entrance. Toward the body of the temple, there is an entrance ladder that has a makara tip patterned check, and on the body of the temple there is a larger main room facing east, and the 3 other rooms the entrance facing west, north, and south. The main room has a size of 7 meter, in which there is the main statue, namely Shiva Mahadeva, as high as 3 meter, which stand on a pedestal. The foundation on which the statue stands in the shape of Ioni with a 1 meter spot located to the north. The Shiva statue has a ornate Tirtiya. Has 4 hands, namely the right hand and front of holding a lotus, the left hand behind holding a camera fly rebel whip, and the right hand holding an aksamala. These Shiva statue were an upawita carved in the shape of a snake. This is circular from the shoulder to the waist. In the northern niche, there is the statue of Durga Mahisaromadini, the wife of the god Shiva, who is now in folklore Rarajongrang. This statue has 8 arms and stands on Mahisa, a buffalo, which shows Mahisa has been killed by Durga in the western niche. There is a statue of Ganesha, now as the son of Lord Shiva and Devi Uma. In Hindu mythology, Ganesha is known as a symbol of wisdom. This statue also has 4 hands, namely the hand on the back holding the chakra, the mythological weapon of Lord Vishnu. And prior bit will the hand in front of a bowl and a frame. In the southern chamber of the temple stand a statue of Shiva Mahaguru Agastya, was stand on Padmasana lotus. Vishnu temple is located to the north of the Shiva temple, and face east is the temple. There is a niche containing a standing statue of Lord Vishnu. This temple has a length of 20 meter and width of 20 meter and a height of 37 meter. On the inside of the balustrade around the temple is carved relief of Krishna story, which tell of Krishna as the reincarnation of Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu is depicted as having 4 hands, each of which hold up clubs, chakra discs, Sangka winged sail, and fruit or lotus bud. This Brahmana temple is located south of the Shiva temple, which has a size almost the same as the Vishnu temple, which is 20 meter long, 20 meter wide, and 57 meter high. In this temple there is a niche containing a 2.40 meter high statue of the good Brahma. Yoni shaped pedestal top Lord Brahma is known as the creator good ascend from his forehead, which are hung prayer bed and jokes around the balustrade of this temple. There are reliefs which are a continuation story of Shiva temple, namely the Ramayana story. What is interesting about Prambanan temple? The area of Prambanan temple has an area of about 39.8 hectares. You can surround the complex on foot while admiring the masterpiece of ancient Hindu. There is one thing that is interesting. If you come during the dry season, you can enjoy the Ramayana ballad show on the open stage with the three divine temple decorated by light. This show can be watched from 8:30 until 10:30 with. In the rainy season, this show will be moved to a closer stage. Not satisfied with enjoying the facilities offered there, you can also buy many souvenirs typical of Prambanan temple, which are sold in the complex around Prambanan temple as souvenir for families at home. The price this trinket is also not that expensive. Tips for visiting Prambanan temple and taking Prambanan photo spot. The wide area of the Prambanan temple will make you feel tired, especially if you visit in the afternoon with the hot sun. For that visit in the morning or evening, use comfortable footwear, sunglasses, and bring minimal item. Maybe if you have to visit during the daytime, bring an umbrella. Yogi's photographer to me some spot to take the best photos at Prambanan temple, including the Buani spot, the ruin of the Perwara temple spot, and the Siwa Mandala spot. Before entering the temple ground from the main road, turn south. Here we can take photo of all the main temple framed by mahogany trees. This spot is also called the Buani spot. Another spot popular with photographers is the run of the Achillery temple as foreground and dramatic for the main temple. Before dark, visitor to Prambanan temple will be asked to leave the security officer. However, we can still capture the sunset view at Prambanan temple from the Siwa Mandala field near the exit of the main temple courtyard. If there is a Ramayana ballad performed that night, the light will illuminate the main temple. The result is incredible, beautiful photo. That is the story from my experience. If you get to the Indonesia, don't forget to visit the Prambanan temple tour. Thank you.